Can you hear the song of a cricket? Beautiful, isn't it? So I went out. You can still hear it. But there was not cricket. It was this lady who cleaned up the stuff, perhaps washing something down the aisle. I was mistaken, but immediately I thought, wow, this is beautiful. But that was not cricket. Then I missed the time listening to cricket in New Zealand, in Palisades. I think I have a video about it. Maybe I'll check. What an amazing feeling of that aliveness of nature and all the crickets singing together. I like cicada too, but the cicada can be noisy. But still the power, the energy is amazing. Making the most for mating, I guess. Whatever the reason. So this is a fake cricket in Santa Monica. Oh, I can hear the bird. Yes, nature is there. We are all with nature to come out to be human. Oh, it stopped. Silence. Monday morning. We'll see what's gonna be the day. You have a good day. Good morning.